Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus for a senior person. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, and as far as I checked, there's no simple or senior mode on this device, and we'll need to set up all of the settings manually. And then now let's scroll down and we need to locate accessibility. And it should be right here in additional settings. Here there's accessibility. We can move to the vision, and then there's a few settings that we can adjust. So first thing is the display size. Right here we can change between extra small, small or large, and I'm gonna go with the large because this makes basically everything on your phone bigger, like text, display, icon, and etc. Then we have magnification. When you want to activate it, you will get the accessibility button that floats around your screen, and now when we click on it, you will enter zoom mode, and you can basically move around, and it will make all of the letters bigger. Then next thing is color correction, color inversion. We can skip those, but if you need, you will need to enable them. Then there's remove animations. When activated, it will reduce motion sickness while using your phone. And the last thing is high contrast, which makes all of the text kind of more visible. It adds a black outline to all of the text, at least this right here, because some of the buttons don't have that. But if we go back to our home screen, you will see yep, all of the text is outlined by black line. And that is all of the settings I recommend to change. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.